If you truly want to get more clients that will be happy to pay you every single time, you must learn to differentiate yourself from the market. But how? So make sure you subscribe to my channel before I reveal that little secret that will take your business and financial life to another whole new level. Now, the decision to purchase your offer should be based on value. Remember that, not on price. Let me explain myself. If your product is like everyone on the market, even if the quality is different, your product is still commodity. And generally any decision made to go and purchase from you will be only based on the price, on a price-driven decision. In other words, to win, if you want to win more sales, you must compete on reducing prices. That means you have to compete on prices anyway, if you're just having the same product like anyone. So you might ask, so Yassine, how would I be able to differentiate myself from the competition? Good question. Answer: don't sell a product which is the exact same like everyone everywhere. That's why so many people often struggle with dropshipping. For example, is the exact same product offered, supplied by one supplier or multiple suppliers, but still sold by thousands and thousands of people worldwide. Is the exact same product offered by anyone. So eventually people will generally always base themselves off of price instead of value, because the most valuable product that you're going to be offering, for example in dropshipping, would be synonymous with the cheapest one, as it's all the same. So here's the key to charge a higher fee and make a lot of money. You should make sure that you sell in a category of one. In other words, you're going to be offering a product or service that cannot be compared to any other product or service out there, including an unmatchable, unbelievable value proposition. So much so that the purchasing power for the prospect is between your product and nobody and nothing else. That's when you get to that state, to that level, to that pedestal, where you can sell at whatever higher ticket prices you wish the prospect to perceive, not in comparison to anyone, because there is no one offering exactly what you're offering. So the moment you get a great and unique offer, you'll get a higher response rate if you email or you DM them, or more clicks if you run ads, for example. That will generally get to more sales at premium prices, because you're the only one offering, pricing that one kind of category of service or product. So that's why people have nothing but to judge your value based on what you're giving it. Okay? So what I want you to remember from this video is this. If you have a commodity, offer, you will always compete on price and shrink your margins to be always relevant and competitive in the market. However, if you go for a totally differentiated product, a unique product, a one of a kind, this will force the prospect to assess the value or that offer, because there's no one you could be compared to except your offer. So that makes your prospect to be in a position where she or he has no other way but to adjust their value meter. Again, thank you for watching, guys. If you found this video very helpful, I truly appreciate from the bottom of my heart if you could like it and share it with your beloved ones. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell button to never miss any video just like this one. As always, you be epic. Take care.